Now, picture yourself entirely debt free. With all of your debts paid off, you will not worry about money again in your life. You can have your dream home, your dream car, fancy holidays, and dining dinners that you've always wanted to have. And you can give back to your family while doing so. To achieve this, today I'll show you a proven method for making money. And it is achieved by answering surveys. How easy is that? I'm going to introduce to you three websites where you can answer surveys to earn money, plus a bonus website. You first have to activate it. Once you've activated it, you'll get recurring payments of $20 to $49 in amounts from time to time. A tiny amount of money may appear insignificant at first, but it gradually adds up to a sizable sum of cash. Now, some users have made as much as $2,000 in a single day, which is incredible. Because of this, your life will permanently change and you'll finally get the improvement you've been wanting for. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first website that I'll be introducing to you is InboxPace. InboxPay is a lesser-known survey service that has been in the online market research business since 2009 and has paid out more than $2 million to its subscribers. The company connects businesses such as brands, advertisers, and product service providers with everyday consumers in order for them to get valuable data and useful information that they can use to better their products and services. That's why InboxPay rewards its members with paid surveys, emails, vouchers, and other incentives. As soon as you successfully complete an offer, you will be compensated for your time and opinion. Now, I want you to go to your browser and type in incomepace.com as the address. This will take you to the homepage of the website. To get started, you must first create an account. It's completely free. They even pay you $5 as a sign-up bonus. Simply click on this Join Now button right here to get started. For them to determine whether or not you qualify for membership, you will be required to complete a brief survey. After that, you will be prompted to provide your email address. You'll be taken to a different page and you will be filling in the blanks with the necessary information. As soon as it is completed, you can begin accomplishing offers. There are 5 different ways to make money on this website. One is cash mail. A daily email is delivered to your mailbox and you can earn money simply by opening and reading it. The second way is cash offers. This is where you can discover various offers to participate in. For instance, you are asked to download an application to your phone or view videos or even do surveys to earn extra money on a daily basis. You can check out products and services that interest you and then you give your personal opinions. For the third method, it's spin the wheel. On this third way, you will be offered the opportunity to play online games and spin the jackpot in order to gain additional money. As you can see in this example, there are people who are earning $5 or even $1,000 every day. As for the fourth way, it is referrals. You can also earn additional 10% bonus by referring your friends. For the last option, it is coupons. After that, watch your account balance grow, then ask for your payout. InboxPay processes all payments through PayPal on the 1st and the 15th day of each month. And they do this every month. You can earn money and rewards by completing simple market research offers. The second website that I'll be showing you is Rewarding Ways. Now, I want you to type in rewardingways.com on your search bar. Through Rewarding Ways, you can earn extra money online by taking surveys on your spare time. You can make money from the comfort of your own home, at work during your lunch break, or anywhere else with internet connection. Every day, they give you access to thousands of surveys opportunities. You can earn money by completing paid surveys, playing games, and more. This website's speedy payments are one of its top features. With a payout duration of 4 hours on average and a small minimum reward requirement of $1, you can withdraw your earnings from the survey site at any moment. Payments are processed instantly and you have the option of receiving your money by PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Bitcoin, or Tango gift cards. However, you are not paid per hour, but for each survey you complete. The average survey takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete and pays you between 50 cents to $5. Longer surveys take up to 30 minutes, but they pay more. To get started, simply click on this Join Free button below. Upon being redirected to a new page, you will be required to complete the registration process by providing your personal information, your name, password, email address, and your mailing address. Fill out the payout option of your preference and then click all of the boxes that follow, including the verification box. If the details are already correct, you may now proceed by clicking the register button. It's completely easy. Rewarding Ways has teamed up with OfferToro. OfferToro is a service that allows web users to get virtual currency, which can be used on a variety of websites, online games, and social applications, social networks, and other similar online applications, either by getting it for free or by paying for it. Now, why am I telling you this? It's because all of the surveys and videos you view on OfferToro, you will be earning an additional 25% in cash rewards. When you log into your account, you're going to see a lot of different surveys. For example, daily paid surveys, live paid surveys, to name a few. Now, I want you to focus on daily paid surveys because I know that you want to make a lot of money online on a regular basis. You can find several websites that simply offer a few surveys or pay very little for them. However, on this site, you'll find new surveys to complete every day. After completing them, you'll be able to access further offers. When you take surveys, you'll earn 25% more money. As an example, if other people are making $100, you can get $125. This is really simple website that you can trust. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The name of the third website that I'll be introducing to you is called Ipoll. You may search on your browser, just type in ipoll.com. Unlike other market research communities, there's more to Ipoll than online surveys. Here, you can share your honest feedback in quick polls, test prototype products, discover your local area with real-world missions, and more. The survey topics range from trending news and opinions to your favorite TV shows and brands. The surveys on this website are actually quite simple and easy. It will take you approximately 3 to 5 minutes to complete them. They also send you more and more basic and simple surveys as you complete them, which will allow them to continue to increase your money. To participate in Ipoll, simply click the Join button in the website's upper right corner. Now that you've filled out the form with your personal information, click the 3 checkboxes for verification and you're all set. Now, after being able to do surveys, you'll be able to cash out your money through Amazon gift cards, PayPal money, or Apple gift cards. Now, the 3 websites I shared with you are proven methods for making money. This will definitely change your life forever and ultimately give you the breakthrough that you deserve. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.